Welcome to English Journey TV. In this lesson, you will learn how to shop for groceries in English. Listen carefully, speak slowly, and follow Jessica and Alex as they go to the supermarket. Let's start.
Hi, Alex. Are you ready to go grocery shopping?
Yes, Jessica. I need to buy some fruits and vegetables today.
Great. Let's take a shopping cart.
Okay. The carts are near the entrance.
What do you want to buy first?
Let's start with fruits. I want to buy some apples and bananas.
Good idea. I love apples too. These apples look fresh.
How much are they?
They are $2 a pound.
That's not bad. Let's get some.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I eat one every morning.
Me too. Bananas give me energy. Now, let's go to the vegetables.
I need carrots, onions, and some lettuce.
Okay, here are the carrots. They look fresh.
How much are these onions?
They are $1 a bag.
That's cheap. I'll take 2 bags.
What about lettuce?
Yes, 1 lettuce is enough for me.
Do you like to make salad at home?
Yes, I make salad with lettuce, tomato, and cucumber.
Sounds delicious. What about you?
I like salad with olive oil and lemon.
Now, let's find the bread section.
There it is. Do you like white bread or brown bread?
I prefer brown bread. It's healthier.
Okay, I'll get 1 white bread and 1 brown bread.
Good idea. Do you need butter or cheese?
Yes, I need both.
The dairy section is over there.
Here is the butter. Should I buy salted or unsalted?
I like salted butter. It tastes better.
Okay, salted butter it is.
And here's the cheese. What kind do you like?
I like cheddar cheese. It's great for sandwiches.
Perfect choice. Do you want to get some milk?
Yes, 1 carton of milk is enough.
Now, let's get some drinks.
Sure, I need some juice.
Which one do you like? Orange or apple?
I like orange juice. It's fresh and sweet.
Do you want water too?
Yes, let's get a big bottle of water.
What about snacks?
Maybe some chips and cookies.
Okay, but not too many.
Yes, just a small bag.
Do you like chocolate cookies?
I love them. Let's buy 1 pack.
Done. Let's go to the checkout now. Okay, I think we have everything.
Yes, let's go to the cashier. Hello, did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Great, that will be $35.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
I love grocery shopping.
Me too. It's relaxing when you know what to buy.
Yes, and it's good to speak English while shopping.
So, what did we buy today?
Let's see. Apples, bananas, carrots, onions, lettuce, bread, butter, cheese, milk, juice, water, and cookies.
That's everything.
Shopping is fun when you go with a friend.
Yes, and we learned many new English words today.
See you next time, Jessica.
Bye, Alex. Thank you for watching English Journey TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice your English every day. See you in the next lesson.